Question 14 here gives us a right-angled triangle LMN. LMN. It's right-angled, that means that's 90 degrees. It tells us that the length of LN is 16.9 and the length of LM is 6.5 centimetres. It says calculate the length of MN. Well, immediately I can see that this is a Pythagoras theorem question. And just to remind you, the Pythagoras theorem tells us that the square of the hypotenuse, x squared, is equal to the addition of the square of the other two sides. So the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the addition of the square of the other two sides. So x squared is equal to z squared plus y squared. I've just put those letters in, any letters would have done. Now we know that x in this case is 16.9, so 16.9 squared is equal to z squared, which is 6.5 squared plus y squared. Now we plug that all into our calculator. Well, we're going to rearrange the equation first. I'm going to deduct 6.5 squared from each side of the equation to give me 16.9 squared minus 6.5 squared is equal to y squared, and that helps us with our solution eventually. So if we plug this into our calculator, 16.9 squared minus 6.5 squared is 243.36, and that's equal to y squared. Now we want the value of y, so we simply take the square root of each side, and square root of y squared is y is equal to the square root of 243.36. Plug that into our calculator, use the square root function, and that tells us that y is equal to 15.6, and don't forget your centimetre units. And that's the answer to the question, y is equal to 15.6 centimetres.